hindi kami takot. Sumasagot lang kami sa kanilang mga atake sa amin. Sumasagot lang kami sa kanilang mga atake sa amin.
She went there at 3, and then she went to Davao. And then when she went to Davao, Duterte said, oh, bangag, bangag, diba? Imagine a former president calling bangag, and then the camera panned on her, tumatawa. So syempre nakita ko, sabi ko, wow man, I mean, masakit yan. And then when said Duterte, si Sandro yan, gusto maging prime minister, perpetuate themselves in power. Tapos ako, I would say, binibilang ko ngayong mga oras eh. Pero tumawa sila. So parang for me, ano yan, mali yata yan, di ba? Parang you're getting sweldo from the government, di ba? You're supposed to be the alter ego, we're there protecting you, tapos gagawin mo yan. Mali yan eh, you cross the line. And I many things, I'm not a hypocrite. I mean, that's not right. You don't do that. That's entitled politics. You're in the government, you're the vice president. For me, nasaktan ako because my husband will do everything to protect you. You ran together, di ba? Sama-sama tayo, babangon mo din. Pupunta ka sa rally, natawagan yung presidente mong bangag, di ba? You're going to laugh?
Nasabi ko na sa inyo ngayon, si Bongbong Marcos bangag noon, ngayong presidente na bangag natin ang presidente. Mga military, alam ninyo yan? Lalo na yung